Hey guys, it's Hazel here. Welcome back to my channel. If you aren't subscribed already, what are you doing? So today I'm bringing you this super glam, baddie, I don't really know what to call it, chocolate vibes, glam look. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in chocolate and using that to lightly fill in my brows and any sparse areas I have. I like big, bold brows. And the next thing I am doing is just carving them out with concealer to clean them up. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to do this. And then I'm taking the same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Neutral, by the way, and I'm using that to prime my eyes because I feel like it gives my eyeshadow an even base. And yeah, and also I'm using the IT Cosmetics brush. It's the dual-ended brush, so one side is a powder brush, the other side is a concealer brush, and I'm telling you, it works so well. It always blends out my concealer seamlessly and smooth, and usually I use my beauty blender, but this works just as well. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. And then I'm taking the Master Palette by Mario and Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm using the shade Lula all over my crease. And yeah, I'm kind of just building that up and going along. And I know it looks kind of crazy and unblended, but trust me, trust the process. It will all come together in the end. I'm then taking the shade Isabel from the palette and using that to overall warm up my crease shade. I'm then taking the shimmery shade Fifth Avenue and using that to highlight my brow bones, and I also dust some of it on my lids to give it kind of like a shiny highlighted look. I'm then taking my Sephora liquid. Oh my god, why do people text me? Okay, anyways, I'm then taking my Sephora liquid liner and using that to just line the top of my lash line to prep them for falsies. I feel like when you put eyeliner on, your falsies blend better, so that's what I'm doing. Then I'm taking the Tarte mascara from Tarte Cosmetics and using that to prep my lashes for falsies. And I'm using the Be Bella Cosmetic lashes in the style Wanderlust. And these are my favorite lashes. I've literally been wearing them with every makeup look I do. And I just love dramatic lashes, I don't know. Another thing is I have a discount code, which is Cake Face Haze off all Be Bella Cosmetics. So if you want to get these lashes, I got you with that 10% off. Next, I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores primer. I really like this primer a lot. I'm just applying that all over my face to prep for foundation and concealer. The foundation I'm using is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm in the shade 5, and I'm just applying that all over my face and using my Sigma Kabuki blending brush to blend it all out. I'm then taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal and highlight all over my face. Then to set all my concealer and foundation in place, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Powder. And then I'm taking my new obsession, which is the Tarte Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette. I love everything in this palette. The highlight is really nice. It looks nice on my skin tone. The blush is super nice. And also I feel like the bronzer makes you look glowy, but not to the point where this sparkles on your face. And yeah, I really like that a lot. So I'm just using the bronzer, the blush, and then the highlight on top. Then I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Lower Lash Line Mascara, and then I'm taking actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in dark brown, I believe, and I'm using it as a lip liner. I wanted to go for sort of a monotone brown chocolate kind of look, and I'm just using that to fill in my lips. Then taking the NYX Cosmetics Lip Lingerie in Teddy, and I'm using that to just fill in my lips. And then I'm also going to take the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm on top of it and blend the two together. And then setting my face with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.